Aluminium cabinets from Croydex are both stylish and versatile, providing the ideal storage solution for any washroom. Supplied fully assembled, these mirrored aluminium cabinets really do optimize space by offering the flexibility to be recessed or fitted directly onto the wall using the patented Croydex hang and lock system. Fitted with fashionable double-sided mirror doors, fixed decorative mirrored glass side panels, and internal mirrors throughout, optimum viewing angles are provided for every occasion. With decorative beveled edges to the front mirror, or the option to fit the door handles provided, these cabinets are easy to open without adding fingerprints, ensuring the mirrored finish stays clean. Croydex aluminium cabinets provide great value for money, with increased flexibility both inside and out. Externally, doors can be left all right-hand opening by turning the cabinet around, and wider opening hinges provide greater accessibility into all the cabinet space. With everyday toiletries varying in size, fully adjustable internal shelves cater for all requirements. All fixtures and fittings are included, and installation couldn't be easier with a Croydex hang and lock system. Assemble the bracket provided and, using the paper template supplied, decide on the cabinet position and mark the wall. Fix the hang and lock bracket to the wall, making sure you leave the screws slightly loose and use the built-in spirit level to ensure it's horizontal. Adjust the level by turning the rotation cams on the bracket, and then tighten the screws when you are happy with the position. All that is left to do is place your cabinet on the bracket and put the locking studs in place, which are fitted inside the bathroom cabinet itself. At this point, you can still adjust your cabinet to the left or right, and then you lock the studs into position. It's so easy and safe to use, transforming a two-person installation into a one-person job. Alternatively, for additional room space, you can fully recess the cabinet into the wall by firstly drawing a template on the wall, cutting the marked lines with an appropriate tool, then frame the cutout to provide a mounting surface. Place the cabinet in the cutout and secure firmly in place. Finally, insert the shelf brackets and clip the glass shelves into place to finish. Both chic and practical, Croydex mirrored aluminium cabinets are the perfect choice for any washroom.